Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. So if you're facing this problem on your YouTube, there are some simple fixes that you could do. So the first step is just basically make sure you turn off your VPN. So if you check your taskbar and you see any VPN turned on, for example Nord or ExpressVPN, just disable VPN completely, close YouTube, and then reopen and try again. YouTube detects mismatch IP locations very easily, so just make sure you check out for that. And now the second could be that YouTube checks your billing country via Google Payments, so make sure your card is issued in your country and billing address actually matches your real location. So if you're using a foreign card, it's an instant verification error. So what the other thing that you can do is check your Google account country. What you can do is just simply type in pay.google.com and just simply go to this website right over here, and then once you go, you just simply need to check your country and region right over here. And once you've confirmed your country and region, I don't use a Google Wallet, but if it's supported in your country, just check out your country region and make sure it matches your actual country. If it's wrong, you may need to create a new payment profile. Now the other step is the switch network. If you're using some Wi-Fi, just try using another type of Wi-Fi, or if you're on phone, just simply turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data, or switch to another network. And now another step for mobile devices is just you can just clear app cache. Just go to settings, apps, and then YouTube, and then clear your cache data. And the sixth is just wait for 24 to 48 hours. If you try too many times, Google may temporarily block verification. Just wait and try later. And yeah, so there is one more important thing that I gotta tell you, that if you're trying to buy cheaper premium using another country like Turkey or India, often causes this error. YouTube has become strict about it. It got location spoofing, VPN purchases, and region mismatches. So make sure you go through all of this. First up, you gotta turn off your VPN, you gotta use local card plus correct billing, and then match your Google country, and then switch network, clear cache for phone, and then retry later. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.